Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood for some updates. Not only follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram at the Calibre. Please subscribe, hit the like button, fired up. I'm the main host, Monto. Let's do this. It is a beautiful Monday out here at Universal Studios Hollywood. The weather is gorgeous, gorgeous. Today we're gonna be getting updates for Fast and Furious roller coaster. We're gonna get on the studio tour. Hopefully we could get on the glamour tour for the 60th. All that information hasn't gone out just yet, at least as a recording of this video, but hopefully we get more information soon. And I just want to walk the park. Maybe we see some horror night, like little remnants of something happening, you know what I mean? Because by any day now we should be seeing a tent, right? It's almost middle of March. I always think it's crazy that even on a Monday, VIP still sold out. And if you're wondering how much tickets are for a Monday, here you go. Right outside Power Up Cafe, right at the entrance of Universal, Gabby from Gabby's Dollhouse is doing meet and greets now. So if you are interested, it's right across. The big crane is working today. So definite construction happening out here. Can't wait to see it. Can't wait to start seeing coaster track. Whoa. What are they picking up? Man. Seems like a lot of the work now is being focused over here on this right side. I remember they were putting out concrete last time I was here. I feel like I could just watch this construction happen all day. It's just so interesting. What a crazy thing. We're literally watching a theme park attraction come to life from scratch. Saw the buildings get all deconstructed and flattened out. Got this hill being worked on now. Got this big ass crane right here. That's so cool. Wild. Man, we're gonna be keeping track on all this in the upcoming weeks, months, until whenever it opens, most likely next year. It's gonna be a fun ride. A fast and furious ride. Since the studio tour is only 10 minutes, I think that's what we're gonna go do next. Because I feel like all the crowds go to Super Nintendo World and then they eventually come up around midday and everything gets just jam-packed at the upper lot. It's so cool how often Krusty is out here now for meet and greets. Sadly, the tour we're on right now is not one of the glamour themed inspired ones, but I'm gonna keep an eye out. Hopefully we can see one either at the maintenance area or just crossing by us. But I can't wait. I can't wait for the 60th of the studio tour.
Lamont will be back to assist you. Now, today's tour does feature a lot of sudden travel movements, a lot of fire effects, a lot of off-field.
Soon enough, I bet we're gonna see Oppenheimer right here.
They're completely controllable environments. They allow you for night. In the video we just watched, you saw everything from a mountaintop layer covered in snow.
Every scene's in the film right here. Jamar, what have been your most memorable moments? First enters and at that moment his life changes forever. What about you? Well, the Bel Air Academy gym set is here too, and I remember having to sit in that cold ice bath for like hours. And that was really cool. My toes. No, but seriously, part of this lot is the talented crew who put it all together. Hair, wardrobe, makeup, design, props, and transportation. Yes, Tears was the best. And the smoothest ride for us to play with.
Flintstones. A couple vehicles from some of our most famous TV shows, TV show party films. We have Harry Potter, Fast and Furious, Jurassic Park, Nope, Us. But check out the gyrosphere right there from Jurassic World. If you remember in the original film, it was a bubble vehicle. Remember the two kids going to the open prairie land? They were riding around, the dinosaurs were all over. We used a lot of animals, a lot of other different things, a lot of excitement in order to be able to capture the audience. Of today's journey. Again, folks, please let me know if you have any emergencies. No need to panic, just pull the red cord, remain seated, and when it's safe to do so, Mike will pull over, and Lamont, I will be. Remember I said we're always in a change mode, always augmenting, always renovating and invigorating our movie sets in order for new filming projects. This is where they film. Everybody know? War of the Worlds. This is the War of the Worlds set. But if you look over here on your right hand, later on, you're able to come back and add other footage to the back screen there. And also, Falls Lake can carry several thousand gallons of water. So quite often, different sea scenes, such as this from Jaws, were actually filmed right there in that location. Now, the next location we're going to is from one of the most famous producers, directors, award-winning Mr. Jordan Peele. This here is Falls Lake.
Movie magic only happens when a team of collaborators, often in the hundreds, work together to take an
Holy smokes.
88 miles per hour.
I'm just waiting for the studio tour, the Glabber version, and I'm seeing characters walk by. I still think one of the most anticipated houses that could come to Horror Nights, if they're willing to do it, Terrifier. I don't even know if it would be a mashup, Terrifier 1, Terrifier 2, but I hope Terrifier in some form comes to Horror Nights. It's the perfect movie adaptation to a Horror Night house. It would work. It is very extreme, obviously, if you've ever seen those movies, but Horror Nights is extreme. That's what Horror Nights is. So I don't know. Are they willing to do Terrifier at Horror Nights? I hope so.
1, 2, 3. Give it up here, see those horror ambassadors, y'all. They're on something amazing. Take them on the way out. Once again, do the rest of your day here at the Studios. Good to everyone. As they sing and show business.
So beautiful. The studio tour was a lot of fun. I finally had a glimpse at the Glamour tour. I'm waiting right here on the bridge so we could get a good angle at it. But we saw a lot of wood. There's a lot of wood being stacked over there behind Transformers. We saw a bunch of signs and kind of spray painted on the ground. So possibly Horror Night construction could be coming on the horizon. I'm gonna take a look over there behind Mummy after this. And we did see some construction happening over there at War of the Worlds. I guess it's just a house that's being rebuilt for a house that was taken down. But it's funny because those houses are destroyed, so they're rebuilding something that's destroyed. I don't know, kind of weird. But studio tour was a lot of fun. I can't wait to have Earthquake back, and most importantly, I can't wait till we get these 60th studio tour details. There it is, the Glamour tour. There's only one of them right now that's running, but I can imagine all of them are going to be like that. So beautiful. We're looking now behind Mummy. We saw a lot of markings on the ground. Now they got that right there. I don't know if that'll be the front or exit. You never know with the Mummy where's the front or exit. But there's some people doing stuff back there. Oh damn. Oh damn. Horror Nights. Do we need a tent? We need a tent, baby. And just off in the distance over there behind Transformers, obviously a lot of wood. A lot of wood just sitting there. There is a chance that all that could be used for filming and production out here. But at the same time, could it be Horror Nights? That's the question I ask. Hopefully it's Horror Nights. But man, I'm starting to get excited. What could be coming here? Hard to speculate, right? Because we don't see a tent. There's no real strong rumors at this time. But something's coming to Mummy. At least that's what it's looking like. Just wanted to show a front angle at Fast and Furious Construction. Since we got to see it from the top over there, we get to see it from the front side now. This is going to be such a beautiful, like just view. The vibe here is going to be insane. Freaking roller coaster going upside down, all sorts of crazy stuff over here. Don't let the sun hit you. How's your day today, Dracula?
Too much sun.
Too much sun.
I'm very thirsty.
Oh, well, I'm going to walk this way then. Let's check out, see if any new merch. Over here at the Universal Studio Store, they've had a lot of Universal Monster merch out for a while. They've been doing a Universal Monster House every year, I feel like, for like 4 or 5 years now at Horror Nights. What is this year's Universal Monster House if it was to come? I know some people were speculating we could get maybe a Dracula, like a Soul Dracula movie. I don't know what I would want. I don't know. That is all for today's adventure over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Thank you guys so much for joining me. We'll be back for more updates as things start heating up with Horror Nights, Fast and Furious, Studio Tour. There's a lot that's going to be happening in the horizon, near horizon. All right, smash that like button. We're firing it down.